You figured out how to use the steam function on the iron, but haven't quite mastered the art of the toothpaste cap. Crack that puppy open like a tauntaun on Hoth. What? Crack that puppy open like a tauntaun on Hoth with this easy. I don't know. Honestly, guys, I don't know.
Wait, I've never seen this toothpaste in my life.
Close up? Yeah, I've never heard of that.
Ooh,
I get it. It's called close up, and they just did a close up.
I'll try not to get satisfied.
Too late. I'm already satisfied over here.
Oh,
Look
wow.
at it on the camera up there.
That's beautiful.
Now you put your toothbrush in and you brush your teeth.
Most people don't know that Tide makes an excellent Anvil cleaner.
What the?
What? Okay.
Where did that come from?
This one just started out.
Where do you get an Anvil? What is this freaking Wile E. Coyote?
Just shake the Anvil well before use with a few test throws. Then apply all the Tide all at once.
Gonna let all
Just
that
came out of
good
nowhere.
Tide juice go to waste?
Dude,
You guys don't use Arm & Hammer?
I don't know. The protein shake of Arm & Hammer isn't that good to me.
Disposable lighters are one of the most commonly stolen items on Earth. Never lose another lighter again by carrying around a giant earth magnet.
What do they expect to happen here?
Oh,
Ooh, gotta check if they work first. You gotta do that.
Make sure they're
Nice.
really magnets.
Yeah.
that's super cool. Dude,
Ooh,
that's
you
amazing.
Put them together.
Oh.
I wonder if they're smashed, dude. No.
No, they're not.
Oh, look at that. Dude, they got a mind of their own.
How does it stand up like that?
Wow, it still works.
working. Lighter's light.
No way, dude.
Oh, read all about it. Lighter's light.
Are your Cheetos a little too flaming hot? Cool them off with this hack.
I love Cheeto Puffs.
Would you say you're a fan of them?
No.
No, you're not a fan.
I don't get it.
I love watching fans on camera because look how it syncs up. Ooh.
Wow.
That's
beautiful.
That's a nice 30 FPS right there.
Oh, you got hate on everything.
Ooh,
Ooh, what about that? How do you like that?
that was a good high-speed shot.
Oh, between the legs.
Oh,
Thumbs
there's
up.
the thumbs up.
Oh, look at that. That's not even parallel.
Why is his left thumb red?
Why?
Very red. There's a lot of blood in his thumb right now.
You know what? If I were him, I'd just stick my fingers in the fan.
We don't need those anymore.
Any of you interested in some chocolate graze, like by the blade of the fan? I'm running out of fan material here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, guys, look at those donuts.
Look at these donuts.
Oh, guys. we got some donuts here.
They're chocolate. My favorite.
Chocolate! What are they selling? Chocolate donuts in a fan! What? Chocolate donuts in a fan! What did he say? They're selling chocolates in a fan! In a fan!
That's so loud, I just realized. Look at,
Yeah, we're
look at
peaking
the,
crazy.
look at the audio
Oh,
levels.
dude, that's
You're welcome.
That is,
Oh, gross. Pringles are gross.
Yay.
oh, you're gross.
I hate Pringles.
I hate you.
Well, good, because
Okay.
Pringles and you are the same. They're
Yeah.
terrible.
Grab and go.
I think they're great.
Do you like Pringles?
I actually don't. No one buys Pringles, dude.
That's true. You just
Like-
find them like
Yeah.
at a baseball
People
game.
just have them.
Have you ever bought a Pringle?
I haven't.
I haven't either.
The parents just show up with them.
Dude, it's a conspiracy.
People just have Pringles, and then you stick your hand in the jar, and it gets caught in there because all the Pringles are
That's
almost
true.
gone, and it's just the crumbs. You're like, why? Why this container?
Seems like a good way to have all your eggs taste like Pringles. At least this one didn't have Mountain Dew. Just leave the shell in there. It's good for you.
This is actually really smart, though. Has anybody been watching The Hack?
No. Egg beater. How did that work?
Not very good.
Never mind.
And somebody said this was smart.
Broke college students, unite your irons against the evil of the broken microwaves. Can't relate. Not a broke college student. Someone should inform my scriptwriter of that.
What was that, dude?
Dude, he's like
Did
the
he-
genie.
Oh,
This
my.
is cultural appropriation. I'm not okay with this.
What culture is he appropriating?
My
Genies?
culture.
That's your culture?
That's my culture.
Oh, this is gonna be dope. This should have been the thumbnail.
Thumbnail should have been.
Wow.
This is how you cook
If-
your popcorn.
If there's one man I respect, it's Orville Redenbacher.
Look at it.
That's actually working.
Look
dude.
at it. It's working.
Wow.
This guy can now go home and say that he cooked popcorn slightly.
Because
with iron.
if
That's gonna
microwave
light on
popcorn's
fire.
too easy, do it this way.
In this hack, our Anvil friend has joined a biker gang and put on some chains to show it. As part of his initiation, he has to get beat up by the Hawaiian punch guy. Stay in school, kids.
Ooh, oh, that's a
Oh,
bad
man.
GoPro. Where did they find an anvil like that? What are those used for anymore? Are there just blacksmiths that need those now?
So what's he hacking here?
That Hawaiian punch.
Yeah. Okay, so the opening of it?
Yeah, so it's the easiest way to open.
True. Just let gravity do the work, dude.
Yeah.
At a friend's wedding and want to show how much you're rooting for them? Forget throwing rice. Launch it 100 miles per hour into the couple's faces. Then they won't have eyes for anyone else.
Oh, rice. Remember what we said about the rice?
All right, so he's throwing rice in the fan.
All right.
Oh,
guys.
look at that.
Very nice.
Nice.
Dude, if there was a
slow-mo
wedding
shot.
nearby-
And the fan's down.
If there was a wedding nearby, they would be
Ooh.
good.
Dude, I know that hurt. Like, that rice coming at you.
You gotta clean yourself up.
You gotta clean those Walmart pants.
Those are some good $10 jeans.
Looking for an effective way to get all that GoGurt out of the tube without using your your car tire.
Wonder what the Spanish version of GoGurt is.
GoGurt.
GoGurto.
I think it would be voygurt.
GoGurt.
This voy means to go, so voygurt.
GoGurt.
Oh, wow,
What
that was
happened? I wasn't looking.
Oh, I'm sorry, you missed it. There'll be a
Dang
slow-mo
it.
though.
Ooh.
Oh, man. He wasted all of his GoGurt, except for that one.
I hope he eats it.
Oh,
dude, what?
wow.
Only the strong survive.
They served you a little bit of strawberry with your chocolate. Show them that you won't stand for it by smashing their ice cream tub with an anvil like some kind of, pre-diabetic Viking.
Oh, this is what we came here for. I scream, you scream, we all scream.
For ice cream.
No, for anvils. Is that Neapolitan? I hate
That's
Neapolitan.
vanilla,
No, that's Neapolitan.
strawberry, and chocolate all
Wow.
in one.
You know, that was already open. That hack was almost as disappointing as my son.
No, you know what the hack here is?
What?
It's not raining ice cream, but if you drop an anvil on it, it then rains ice cream.
No, the ice cream attracts the anvils.
Oh, it's an anvil magnet.
Yes.
All right, so you're gonna want to fold this piece of paper in half. You're gonna cut it into what resembles
Is he making
something
one
I
of those
can't say.
things?
Yeah, it looks like that thing where you used to tell your fortune, and like
Yeah,
high
yeah,
school
yeah,
girls would use it, and they'd be like, "You're gonna like Chris," and then the girls were like, "Ew," and then I went home and I I was
that,
really
that
depressed.
really hot girl from school, she'd make it and then she'd like do it for you, and you'd open it and she'd reveal and it'd say, "I'm never gonna date you."
And then you just go home,
You
and your
cry.
dad's like, "What's wrong?" And you're like, "Nothing. I just want to sit in my room with the lights off and listen to
And then your
Elton
dad
John all
makes
night.
one for you, and then he does it for you, and then it says,
I'm never gonna love you as well."
yeah,
going
I was
to the
gonna
store,
say
never
you're
coming back.
adopted.
Well, adopted, never gonna love you, same thing.
This looks like a deleted scene from that movie Flubber, where the mafia is trying to get their money.
Silly sludge.
What is silly sludge?
It's working.
Oh yeah, dude, this is that extended cut of Flubber that they didn't show you.
No, look at that Philly fludge. So silly, dude.
Dude, his reaction time, it literally fell 3 seconds later. He closed him trying to get it.
Oh my.
If what you wanted to happen doesn't happen, you just
When in
thumbs
doubt,
up.
yeah, when in doubt, thumb up.
My girlfriend that I don't have got mad when she saw I'd rather feed a fan grapes than her. I keep telling her it's because she's not real.
Nah, they're gone now, man.
Oh, dude, that's really dangerous.
That is actually, yeah.
There needs to
What
be
the
like
freak?
a safety officer for these
What's
guys.
wrong with this guy? Is he okay?
No, he's not. Dude, he's slowly going into madness. Once again, double pits to chesty.
We got a double. We got a 2 thumbs up there, guys.
Here we are, right where the sausage became sausage in the first place.
Sausage.
Oh, look at the sausages.
That's some red sausage.
Hey, would an Italian person eat those?
I don't know, Chris, but this looks good.
Did you know that the wrapper on sausages is made out of intestines?
Test 1, 2. Intestines, test 1, 2.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
They look like red pickles.
Dude, red pickles. Have you ever seen a red pickle?
This is the not safe for work episode. Should we redo that? I feel like we should redo
I don't know.
that.
Is red pickle, is that too bad?
No.
In the past 19 years, Swiss rolls have gone from 25 cents at the gas station to $1. Show your disdain for inflation and fight for lower snack cake prices with this easy hack.
Dude, I don't know.
Technically not.
I don't work.
Swiss rolls are the best ever.
I don't work here, so I don't know.
You were from the street?
Yeah, I'm from the streets. I'm from season 1. Go back and watch the drone video. I think I'm in it.
Yeah, unabridged anime.
Dude, that just like obliterated it.
Dude, that's a waste of good Swiss rolls.
Dude, I want to eat that.
I'm surprised they haven't done Twinkies yet. They've never done Twinkies.
I love Twinkies.
Here's an idea for your next Lorena Boblet cosplay. Don't know who that is.
This is how you cook eggplant parmesan.
Dude, the eggplant emoji is so popular, they made a fruit out of it, bro.
Dude, no way.
Or is it a vegetable?
Dude, I don't even know.
I don't know, but that's,
Look at
this
that.
isn't working.
And this is when his hand slips.
Oh,
He's
it
not
did
giving
work.
those thumbs up anymore.
Does anyone actually eat eggplant?
Yeah, I've never
I
seen
do,
anyone
because
eat
I'm
that.
Italian, so...
You went, what time is it? It's 11:48. You went 2 hours and 48 minutes without mentioning you're Italian.
Yeah.
That's a new
Oh,
record.
boobity bobbity.
Oh, that was a quick thumbs up. Be careful, you'll miss it.
Gotta scrape all the red off that. Nobody likes red.
Couldn't they have just got like normal ones?
Oh, that went far.
I know what he's making.
A flying machine.
A blind.
Flying?
Oh, wow.
Dude, he's making a helicopter, dude.
Oh, this is
Oh,
like...
it's one of those things.
Dude,
that go
remember
up.
that video where the girl's like playing with that little pixie thing and it flies into the fire on Christmas?
Yeah,
Play
yeah.
that video. Oh, he said ow, but does 2 paper clips and popsicle sticks really hurt?
I don't
You're
know.
a sensitive boy.
Are you a sensitive boy?
I'm a sensitive boy.
You are wearing a headband, so you're either Jimi Hendrix or you're sensitive.
I'm headband boy. Things have changed a lot since I. Things have changed. I wear headbands now, Chris.
They say love is the strongest form of attraction the heart can feel, besides, magnetism. Show that lovey-dovey heart your love with your handy-dandy giant magnet.
Look at my heart, Chris. This is what you do to me.
What do I do to you?
This is what you do to my heart.
This.
I unwrap it,
This.
My
You
heart.
unwrap it and you take care of it, and then you just do this right here.
gently place it on a piece of metal with a
No, you
magnet.
take
Just
your-
wait. That's what you do. You smash it.
Wow.
Chris, why?
Wow.
Why
look
do you
at-
do this to me?
Why do you do that to Chandler, dude?
I feel like they should have used something probably a little squishier instead of hard chocolate. I guess that didn't really work out how they thought it was going to work. All right, Chewbacca, play the next one.
Can't crack the lock? Blow it open with a firecracker.
Don't you hate it when you can't get into your lock that's not protecting anything?
Nope.
Eric, what's your prediction? What do you think's
So
going to happen?
I'm thinking that he's gonna tape this lock up, and
That's not what I meant. Do you think it's going to work?
oh yeah, it's gonna work. Have you seen this channel?
That's not the right kind of firework.
Hey.
They should have got a M80.
It wasn't to open it. It was just so he could have fun.
It's just about the journey, I guess,
As long
right?
as you have fun, it doesn't matter.
And you know what? He didn't even need to open that lock.
Didn't they go to South Carolina to buy those fireworks?
Yep.
They couldn't even buy the right fireworks.
Still can't get it open? Blast it into space with a bottle rocket.
Dude, that's stuck way too hard in the ground. That's not going anywhere.
So I'm hoping he doesn't move when he lights
Oh
that.
my gosh.
Wow.
I'm so angered by this.
That's not going anywhere.
No, it's not.
Oh, lit the grass on fire, too.
Nice.
There it is.
Yeah, that's unlocked.
Oh man. What do we do now?
Got him.
Let's punch it because it didn't work.
He drove 6 hours to buy those fireworks.
And that's how a California wildfire started.
Actually, that was a gender reveal for a baby. Did you see that?
yeah, that was good. That
That's
was
how
good.
you do it, man.
Hey guys, it's time for another deep dive into Chandler and Chris's Instagrams. As we can see on Chandler's Instagram, he actually hasn't posted that many photos. Look at this one. Chandler, you need to post more photos. Cornell knew it was cash when it left my hands. Hashtag Dub City. Cool hashtag there, bro. Let's check out Chris's Instagram now. Chris posts way too much. Dude, stop posting so much. Bro, I'm still scrolling. What is your problem, Chris? Okay, I'm at the first photo. What's this cute dog? His name is Bubba. He also posted something from Grand Theft Auto 5. How relatable. Don't forget to subscribe to Eric on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Period Beast as well. Subscribe button is right there. Right there. Yep, see you looking at it. Just go ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe button. You do it? Still waiting on ya. There you go.